Welcome back, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are doing decimals, and here I am, your ma'am Ashu Sharma, and we are doing Unit 8. And now, in this video, I'll explain you question number 2 of 8.2 exercise. So, let's do the question. Let's start the question. Now, dear students, in your second question, what is given to you? Write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. Means a place value table is given to us and the values are already placed in the table. We have to write these values in decimal form. So what is the way? Let us see. So dear students, this is the table which is given to you in the book. So I have made it here for you on the board also. Now let us do the first part. Let us convert the first part into decimals. So dear students, before converting into decimals, we must know about the place values. Like the 0 is at hundreds place. So we will multiply 0 by 100 plus 0 is at tens place. We will multiply 0 by 10. 3 is at ones place. We'll multiply it by 1. But this line shows the decimal point. प्लस 2 इज़ एट टेंथ प्लेस TH आ गया बेटा, तो जहाँ TH आ जाता है वहाँ डिवाइड शुरू हो जाता है. मीन्स विल डिवाइड 2 बाई 10 here plus 5 will get divided by 100 and 0 will get divided by 1000. So to convert it into decimal value we have to do like this. Therefore first number 0, this will get multiplied by 100, right? Then plus sign, next 0 multiplied by 10, this is at tens place, so we'll multiply it by 10. Then again a plus sign, 3 is at ones place, so we will multiply it by 1. Then 2 is at 10th place, TH aa gaya, so start dividing. Plus 2 by 10 plus 5 is at 100th place, so we will divide it by 100 plus 0 is at 1000th place, so we will divide it by 1000. So now let us solve it. As you know that 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So 0 multiplied by 100 is 0 plus 0 multiplied by 10 is again 0 because 0 multiplied by any number is 0 plus 3 ones are 3. And dear students, remember while doing multiplication addition use BODMAS property. You might have heard in your junior classes. What do we mean by this property? B stands for bracket, B stands for bracket, O of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So here in our question multiplication and addition is there, but multiplication will be done first before doing the addition. So we are multiplying the things first, then we will add them, right? Then plus, now for this 0, 10 will place a decimal, it carries 1 0, so we will leave only one digit after the decimal, so it will become 0.2 plus 5 by 100, we'll write 5, but there are 2 zeros in 100, we have to leave 2 digits. So this is the first digit. If no digit is there, we'll take 0, then we'll place a decimal. So for 2 zeros, we'll take 2 digits. If single is there, we'll take 1 0, then 0.05 plus 0 divided by anything is again 0. So now let us add them. 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 3. This will become 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3 plus these two are the decimal numbers, so let us add them separately. 0.2 and 0.05, 0.05. While adding them, dear students, place the decimal under the decimal. So just add them. So if no digit is there, we'll take 0 over here. So 5 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, decimal, place decimal, 0 plus 0 is 0. So for these two we'll get 0.25 plus 0. So when you add it you will get Again, to add it, what you can do? 3 and 0.25. Now this is only 3, so we'll take decimal and we'll place 2 zeros like this. Then we will add it. 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, then decimal, 3 plus 0, 3. So 3.25. So dear students, in this way you can convert this place value, the values given in the table, into the decimal number form. So I hope it is clear to you. Do the rough calculation on the same page by drawing a margin in your notebook, dear students. Okay. Now dear students, B part. So again, now in B part, 1 is at 100 place. So we will multiply it by 100. 1 into 100 plus 0 is at 10's place. So 0 multiplied by 10 plus 2 is at 1's place. 2 is multiplied by 1 plus 6 at 10th place. 6 divided by 10. 3 at 100th place. So plus 3 by 100. 0 is at 1000th place. So 0 divided by 1000. Now just solve it. You know that 1 multiplied by 100 is 100 plus 0 multiplied by anything is 0. 2 into 1 is 2 plus, for this let us take a decimal, leave 1 digit, plus write down 3. For 2 zeros take decimals, 1 digit, 2 digit, then place a decimal, then plus 0 divided by anything is 0. So let us add 100 plus 0 is 100 plus 2. 102 plus 0. This is 102. And when you will add 0.6 and 0.03, you will get 0.63. 0.6, 0.03. So again, you know how to add it. 0 plus 3 is 3, 6 plus 0 is 6, decimal 0. Now add the two. To add them, we'll take 102 like this and place the decimal under decimal 0 0. This is 102. तो कोई decimal के पीछे 0 नहीं है, so we'll take 0 0 like this. So again add it. This is 3 6 2 0 1. So answer will be 102.63. So dear students, I hope now you will be able to do the remaining parts yourself. I hope you will be able to do.